up with y'all? It's Miss KJ here, back with another read aloud for you all. And we are almost into the new year. So today we are reading Shanté Keys and the New Year's Peas by Gail Piernas-Davenport, illustrated by Marion Eldridge. Happy New Year, Grandma, says Shanté Keys. Mom said we'll eat lucky New Year's peas. Mercy, cried Grandma. I'm weak in the knees. I cooked lots of food but forgot the black-eyed peas. Chitlins, baked ham, macaroni and cheese, greens and hot cornbread, but no black-eyed peas. It's a year of bad luck if we don't eat cow peas. Quick, go to Miss Lee's and borrow some, please. Happy New Year, Miss Lee, says Shanté Keys. Gran wants to borrow some black-eyed peas. My New Year's is later because I'm Chinese. I'll make crisp golden dumplings instead of cow peas. I'm sorry to bother you, says Shanté Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. I'll try at the grocer's, Mr. McGee's. Your aisles are stocked with such delicacies. Why can't I find lucky black-eyed peas? Back home in my Scotland, far overseas, for New Year's we toast and eat haggis and cheese. Happy New Year anyway, says Shanté Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try some peas. Why don't you try asking Senior Ortiz? What do you eat for New Year's luck, Chef Ortiz? If you cook black eyes, may I borrow some, please? I am from Mexico, down by Belize. For luck we make noise and eat grapes like these. Happy New Year anyway, says Shanté Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. Next, Shanté asked her good friend Harris, may I borrow peas for New Year's, please? We celebrate Diwali with other Hindu families. We light lamps and eat sweets, but no black-eyed peas. Thank you anyway, says Shanté Keys. Come join us for dinner so you can try peas. Now Shanté is frantic. She's in a time squeeze. She thinks hard and rushes to Auntie Marie's. I'd have too many if I cooked all these. Hun, take what you need of my New Year's peas. Thanks, and come eat at Gram's with me, please. Grandma chops onions to cook with the peas. Auntie adds a coin for luck and pinch of bay leaves. And Shanté cooks rice as Mom oversees. Auntie says, Shanté, can you get the door, please? Your friends are here for dinner. Come try peas. These peas are delicious, the whole group agrees. Happy New Year, and thank you, Shanté Keys. The end. Thank you all so much for joining my read aloud about Shanté Keys and the New Year's Peas. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys stay tuned for more. And thank you all so much again. Bye.